Inserting SmartArt. It is easy to understand a topic when it is expressed with the help of charts, diagrams and lists. In PowerPoint, we use SmartArt to do this. To insert a SmartArt on a slide, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on the SmartArt command. 3. Select a diagram type. 4. Select a design of the diagram you want to insert. 5. Click on the OK button. This will insert a SmartArt graphic on the slide with text box to enter your text. 6. Click on the text boxes and enter your text. You can change the color and design of the SmartArt graphic by selecting the SmartArt graphic and using commands available under the Format tab and Design tab in SmartArt tools.